Okay guys, so this is the problem. Every time you open up Outlook, it asks you for your password. So you type in the password, you check that box, hit OK, and most of the time it'll go through. But then when you open up your Outlook again, it keeps doing this over and over again. So the real problem is it's not remembering your password. It's this error message down here, this Ox800CCC1A. So I'm going to show you how to fix that today. Hey guys, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and that notify button. And here is your new video. Okay, so what you're going to want to do to fix this problem is you're going to go into File, Account Settings, open the account, and you can go More Settings, Outgoing Server, check this box, and manually put in the username and password for the account. I know it's supposed to use the same settings, but it also tries using the incorrect settings. So we're going to put in the username and password manually. Then we require secure password, and then you hit next and test, and completed. Then you hit next. It's going to test it again. Complete it. Close. Finish. Close Outlook. Oh, you might want to test it, and you'll see that all your messages are coming in now. Hope this helped out. Please don't forget to hit like and or subscribe, and have a good day.